these will be the elevators at 22301 Crystal Drive, Arlington, Virginia. And we got some more slap-on modded Otis Elevonic 401s here. Let's go to 11. These got Series 1 lanterns and coal buttons up here. Oh, it came back, okay. G2. Let's get a cat view. These elevators are pretty much identical to the ones at 2011 Crystal Drive. Very nice cabs. Definitely redone, but very nice. Watch the button go out. We're on G2. Send that one up. This one. Can definitely hear the 401 beep. Let's go back down to G2. Going down. What floor would you like?
G1 for me.
Number 1 for a big star. Thanks.
Alright. Have a wonderful day. Take this up one more time, and I'm gonna attempt to get the service car. Service car, I'm willing to bet still has its original Series 1 fixtures. If the other building here is anything to go by. Doesn't look like anybody's up here. and here it is. Got water fountains too. That didn't take long. And yep, this one's fully original. This one's in better condition than the one at the other tower here. G3. Let's get a cab view. Just like in the other tower, the service cars definitely really control their MRQ. Typical worn out service elevator cab behind the padding. G3. I'm gonna see, is there a sign that says free or... Yep. Let's get it back before it leaves. Chime doesn't sound the greatest. 11. Here we go. Decently quick. Here we are on 11. There's the interlock. And we'll get off here. And I'll end my video in the lobby. One. Once it close quickly. And we'll get off on one. And here we are. Here it goes.